everyone, and welcome back to Arta. In our previous video, we had a tutorial on the introduction to Procreate, and in today's video, we're going to start drawing with Procreate. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's video is about animating yourself in Procreate and how to do it. So let's begin. So first I'm going to start by taking a screen size canvas. It's optional of which canvas you like to take, but I prefer screen size. Next, we're going to go to the Tools bar, click Insert Picture in the Add option. And here, I have a picture of Ariana Grande, which I'm going to be animating today. So you can flip your device to the side according to the picture. So I have a picture which is vertical, so I flipped it vertical too. So as we talked about layers yesterday, today we're going to be layering to animate Ariana Grande. And you can take a picture of anything, not only people. So let's get started now. So here we have a layer, which is the picture, and the next one will be of our drawing. So first, we're going to start by holding. I prefer you do this with your finger because it's going to work more properly. So we're going to start from the top to the bottom. So let's start from the hair. So here you're going to have like a color dropper, sorry. So her hair is like dark brown in this picture, so yeah. Now we're going to take a monoline brush, which is in calligraphy because that's the best one for tracing and outlining. I just finished outlining her hair, and the next thing to outline is the hoodie. So what we're going to do is take our color dropper again on the hoodie, get the color, and start outlining. Now that I finished outlining the hoodie, I'm going to be outlining the boots and the bag along with the face in a time lapse. All the outlining is done, we're going to start coloring, and I'm going to be coloring everything in a time lapse because there's not much to show. You just have to color all the parts you outlined in their respective colors. And when I'm coloring the face, there's actually a different process for that, so I'm going to be filming again when we color the face. Coloring is done and it looks really good. We are going to start with the face. So when we're doing the face, there's actually this thing with animated art is that it's not realistic, which is the main thing. So we're going to go get the color of the face from the line, and we're just going to drop it in there. So we are not really going to see the face. And this part I'm going to color because for some reason it's not dropping. So, if you watch the time lapse, you must have observed that I used a bit of darker colors to, segregate the outlinings. Because if it's like one, it would look really weird, first of all, and you wouldn't be able to differentiate between like the colors and the hoodie lines and everything, and it would be like a mess. So that is why I put strokes everywhere. What we're gonna do to differentiate between the face and the neck is we're going to hold and get the color here, then go to the disc and move it towards a bit darker, like towards the black, so it becomes darker. Now we're going to zoom it in, and I prefer you lower the brush. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And you can do a bit of editing, not editing, like picture editing, but you can edit this part out. And when you zoom in it, it's pretty cool because it's like all pixels and stuff. So So now I'm just adding like finishing touches towards the neck area because it looks bumpy. Yeah, and there's also a part of skin that I left out, so I'm gonna color that out too. So by the way, if you haven't subscribed to Arta, please do it for more Procreate videos, and comment below what type of videos you want. And you can also go to our social media and follow us there, and also message us there what videos you would want on Procreate or regular drawing videos. So now that I'm done coloring, we have to do the eyebrow, which is the same color as the hair. So for the eyebrow, we need a really thin brush. And I feel like this one would not be enough because like monoline is natured to be thick for tracing. So now we are going to go to a eraser, zoom the face in a bit, and erase approximately where you think the eyebrow would be. So we found the eyebrow. So now we're going to take the same color of the hair. It's already set right here. We can zoom it in the brush. And there we go. We have our eyebrow. Now we're going to take the color of the skin and just fill it in around. Be careful so it doesn't get onto the eyebrow. So we have to do the same thing on the other side too. So we're going to be back right after I finish the same thing on the other side. So now that the eyebrows are finished, I decided it would look good if we added the lips too. So again, we're going to erase the part where the lips are. And we're going to be back after we finish outlining and coloring. Doing the lips, it was actually pretty easy. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the background. So for the background, again, we're going to pick like one of the most colors here. And we are going to make an outline around, make the brush a bit thicker, go back to monoline. And then we are going to make a box around this because that is the size of our picture. So this is like a boundary for it. So here we have our boundary ready. We're gonna see if recolor works. Yes, it looks great. So actually better than the background and a boundary. I feel that recolor would look amazing here. So here I'm just filling in the extra spots that I missed out in the corners here and there. And here our cartoon animation is ready. I know our cartoon animation is complete, but there's one last step, like an extra step to do. And there are actually two of them. So first, go to layers and delete the picture layer. If you do that, what would happen is there'd be all these extra gaps. So I prefer you not to do that. So you can go back. See, it's like full and everything because of some gaps in the picture that we couldn't complete. And we also have to fill in some extra gaps here. If you have that many gaps, like you can fill them in. Now, there's also another step. On the bag, it was written sweetheart. So like, it's optional to actually write sweetheart on the bag, but it's actually your choice. What I'm doing here is I'm just outlining the bag. As I told you yesterday, there is a feature where you press and hold and it forms a shape. So here I'm just making a line and it just becomes straight like that. So now here is the picture we drew, and I can show you the regular picture. Here it is. So this will actually be in the thumbnail, you can check it out. And there's also a necklace, so just forgot to draw that. So now, as we are done with everything, and even most of the final touches, our drawing is complete. So you can do this with any drawing, which is amazing about it. And you can even do this for a drawing of yourself. You can even do it for the same drawing as we did in this tutorial. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and please like this video, share it, and subscribe to Arta for more videos. And bye!